We use the EnPak for our crane, and then we don't have to keep our truck running all the time, so it keeps the engine hours off that. The EnPak keeps the chassis power going all the time to the truck, so you go in there, let's say you got the strobe lights on all day, you're next to the road, the inverter running all day, charging your batteries for your tools, and then you go in your truck at the end of the day and start it, it starts right up. The thing I like most about it is the cold starts. We're Wisconsin, so we don't have any issues with the starting. We don't even have to plug it in for the block heater or nothing. We get to the job site, it's bulletproof. You hit the button, it starts up every time. There's no problem. This thing is awesome with the digital screen and just simple, easy buttons. It's super user-friendly. And I mean, you don't have to be tech savvy to use it at all. The ramp up and down for the RPMs, that is so nice. You don't have to listen to the thing rev up at 2,500 RPMs all day. It gets a little annoying, so when it ramps down, you can actually talk and hear the radio and stuff while it's still running. For the tap to start, let's say welding, and then someone that I'm working with has a question on a different part of the job site, it'll shut off in 2 minutes. Let's say I'm gone for 20 minutes, half hour. Well, I just save that much in fuel. And then I come back, I don't have to go to the welder, start it up, I just grab my stinger and strike an arc and away I go again. If we didn't have the EnPak out in the field, we wouldn't be out in the field. We would have nothing to power stuff up with, so it's definitely an essential unit to have on your truck.